Alright, and then welcome back to Marius Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be helping all Ugandans that are tired of buying data bundles. And if you are right there when you are Ugandan, this video is specifically for you. I'm going to be exposing the Airtel Uganda trick without favor, without fear, because I was being warned by several individuals who think that they came in the comment section last time and they started threatening that you are going to take up your channel, you're going to take up your channel. But this video, I'm going to be exposing up the Airtel Uganda trick for free. So those who want to be victims after my exposure, let us follow up the video. Let me first show you step on step that I don't have any running data bundle. This weekend I want everyone to be connected, most especially those who are using Airtel. And we have someone that was MTN. Now this is line 2, Airtel. I can check a billion times you want, that is Airtel. Let me recheck on MTN and I show you that I don't have any data bundle running. And today is Saturday, it is a weekend. You must be connected. It is the last day in February. We are entering in March. Don't enter March without when you are offline. Don't just behave like that. Let us all gather here. I'm going to be showing you a trick. So this is what we're going to be doing. Let us come. Let me first show you that it works. But before continuing, let us all gather at my YouTube channel and we subscribe for more updates. We're going to go where we search from and we search Marius Tech without any space. And then after searching that YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe. And then after subscribing, we can check whether our data we have checked it is working. Let me show you this. I'm going to try to download an application of 100 MBs, and you're going to see that application, it doesn't even spend like 10 minutes without completing. Let us try on Subway Surfers. That game, it's about 178 MBs, approximately 200 MBs. Let me show you. You're going to download that application in less than a minute. Just see this. It isn't AI, it isn't magic. These things are real and they happen in real life situations. People are not using data except you. But the one who has refused to get connected, don't refuse. Just abide by the laws and then you come. I'm going to be connecting you. You see, I said not less than a minute, and I've started downloading this Subway Surfers application when this video was 2.55 like that. But the application, the game of about 200 MBs, it is going to complete. That is the speed. It is going to complete in less than a minute. Even the minute it did not. You just see. The game has done big. The game is now free. It has been installed. I've just cancelled it because I don't want. Let us check on TikTok, because I may have ladies right here. You see? That is that is our TikTok. That is our TikTok. Now, which other application should we check before exposing the trick? But do this. Let us all gather at my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you a video where I hidden that trick. Search Marius Tech on YouTube, view the channel, and then after viewing the channel, you are going to go in the about section right here where we have the links. Where you see WhatsApp me, get 10K only, and then WhatsApp that number, you will be able to get connected to the unlimited, fast, stable, secure internet access. But before coming, make sure you read the 2011 Computer Misuse Act, because I won't be able if they find using this data, I won't be like, you don't, I will be out of your things. Just inbox, then I'll connect you for free at 10k. Just have 10k, because I was connecting last week. I was giving this trick at 15k, but it being a weekend, I'm giving it at only 10k. Just inbox me, just go where we have whatsapp.me, whatsapp me, and then I'll be able to provide you, and I'll be able to connect you, provided that you are my subscriber. If you're not a my subscriber, don't there WhatsApp me, because I won't be able to connect you. Thank you guys for following. I'm Marstech, and I sign out. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. I sign out.